Dear friends, welcome to Mathematics. Today's topic is regarding class 10 CBSE, chapter number 1, real number. And today's class, we are going to solve a lot of questions of past year questions, which is already there in the CBSE board. So, dear friends, let us start today's topic. So, in the first part, we are going to solve the multiple choice questions, which is already there in the past year. So, now let us start. So, the question number 1, if two positive integer and a and b are written as a is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube, where x and y are the prime number, then find the HCF of a and b. So, dear friends, here we have to write. So, here a is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to x y cube. So the question is asking to find out regarding the HCF. Here I just wanted to say that in HCF we are going to take the lowest power, and in LCM we are going to take the highest power. As the question is asking regarding the HCF, so we will say that the HCF of A and B is equal to the lowest power. Obviously x and y both are existing, so that's why let me write x and y. Here the power of x is 3, here the power of x is 1. So the lowest power is 1. Now y, here 2, here 3. So the lowest will be obviously 2. So the HCF of a and b is equal to x to the power 1 y square. So dear friends, here I just wanted to say that the correct answer is xy square, which is the correct answer. That is correct answer is option number B. So here I just wanted to say you how to find out the LCM also. So LCM of A and B will be the highest power we have to take. So again we have to write x and y. The highest of x cube and x is 3 only. And here in y segment the power is 3. So the LCM is x cube y cube. So now dear friends, let us come to the question number 2. Find the greatest number of 5 digit that will give us remainder of 5 when divided by 8 and 9 respectively. It means we are going to take a 5 digit greatest number. So let us, the what is the greatest number of 5 digit? That we used to say that is 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. It means 99,999 is the greatest number. So the question is asking that that will give us the remainder 5 when divided by 8 and 9 respectively. Here we can say that as the number will be divisible by 8 and 9. So obviously the number 5 digit number must be the multiple of 8 and 9. It means how we can say the number which is multiple of 8 and 9 will be the LCM of 8 and 9. So at first we have to calculate LCM of 8 and 9. So dear friends, LCM of 8 and 9 is 8 9 is 72. Why the LCM is like that? Because 8 and 9 both are not having any common factor. So directly we can say 9 8 is 72 is the LCM of it. So now to find out which number is the multiple of 72, again which will be nearby number of 99,999, we have to divide the number. Here 99,999 is divided by 72. Hence we are getting the remainder 63. It means from the number 99999, if I will subtract the 63, then the number of 10, that is 9 minus 3 becomes 6, 9 minus 6 become 3, then it become 9, it become 9 and it become 9. So this number is exactly divisible by 72. It means it is divisible by both 8 and 9. But the question is saying that it must have the remainder 5. So in which case the remainder will be 5? When we will add 5 extra. So 6 plus 5 become 11, 1, 1, 3 plus 1 become 4, rest of they become no change, 9, 9, 9. It means this is the result. If the number will be divisible by 8 and 9, then there will be a remainder 5. So the correct answer is option number C. So dear friends, now we are moving to question number 3. The ratio between the LCM and HCF of the 5, 15 and 20 is. So dear friends, at first we have to write 5. What is the factor of 5? That is obviously only 5. So now the second thing is 15. So here the factors are 3 into 5. Now the second one is 20. It means 2 to the power 2, 2 to the 4, 4 5 ja 20. So we got the factor of all the three numbers. Now we have to calculate the LCM. LCM and HCF. Dear friends, in the first question, I already have discussed how to find out the LCM and HCF of the three number which will be given in the questions. So now the LCM is the highest power. So obviously the available numbers are 2. Afterward, another number is 3, another number is 5. So here the highest power of 2 is 2. In case of the 3, highest power is 1. In case of 5, all are having 1 power only. That's why this is the LCM. Now we have to find out the HCF. HCF means the lowest power. Lowest power in the sense we have to take such a number which will be available in all the three cases. So here 2 is not available in all the three. 3 is also available in not available in all the three, but 5 is available in all the three cases. So that's why I have to take 5. Again the lowest power, as 5 is having only 1 power, so the lowest power is itself. That's why the HCF is equal to 5. Now the question is saying the ratio between the LCM and HCF. So dear friends, LCM upon HCF. In this way we can find out the HCF. So LCM is equal to how much? 2 to the power 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. And what is the HCF? HCF is 5. So if we find out the ratio, we have to simplify it. It means the answer is coming 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 3 is a 12. And what is the denominator? 1. So dear friends, here the ratio will be LCM ratio HCF is equal to 12 ratio 1. So in the 12 ratio 1 is option number D. I hope you have understood this. Now let us come to the question number 4. Two alarm clock ring their alarm at regular interval of the 50-second and 48-second. It means the two alarm clocks are there. The first alarm clock rings at an interval of the 50-second, and another one is take 48 seconds for ringing. If they first beep together at 12 noon, it means the time is 12:00 HR, and that too it is a noon. So at what time they will beep again for the first time? So dear friends, 50 and 48, after a particular time they will ring, and the ringing will not stop. After some interval, after a fixed interval, again and again, again and again, again and again, it will ring. It means suppose at a particular time it rings, again after that same particular means interval, again they will ring, again they will ring after a particular interval, again they will ring after a particular interval. It means it will go on ringing. So the question is saying what time they will beep again for the first time. It means for the first time when they will beep, it means as it is coming for the multiple time, so we have to calculate the which is the lowest or the nearest. That is called as the lowest or the nearest time when it will ring. So obviously we already have discussed that when the question regarding the lowest, nearest, less, then few, for these all words we have to find out LCM. This is the concept. First of all, I hope we have understood the concept. Now we have to calculate what is the LCM of 50 and 48. So let us start. Dear friends, 50 can be written as 5 tenja. It means 2 into 5 square. 5 square become 25, 25 2 ja 50. Now we have to calculate factor of 48. So now let me calculate 48. Here 2 will go, then 24. Here 2 will go, then 12. Here 2 will go, then 6. Here 2 will go, then 3. 3 to the 6, 2 ja 12, 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. It means it is having 2 to the power 4 multiply 3 to the power 1. There is no 5. Now, according to the question, we have to calculate the LCM, and LCM is all regarding the highest power of the numbers. So all the numbers are 2, 3, and 5. Now, what is the highest power of 2? That is 4. What is the highest power of 3? That is 1. What is the highest power of 5? That is 2. So, dear friends, this is the LCM. So now we are going to calculate 2 2 ja 4. 2 to the power 4 means how much? 2 2 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. Multiply 3 to the power 1 means 3 only, and 5 to the power 2 become how much? 5 to the power 2 become 5 5 is 25. So now we are going to calculate 16 3 is 48 multiply 25. So dear friends, according to the Vedic mathematics technique, when we are going to multiply any number by 25, okay, let us go through normal method only. The answer is coming 48 into 25. That is, we can say 1200, and that too it is a second. So now the question is asking regarding after how much time or at what exact time the bell will ring again. So we have to calculate 1200 second is how much minute. So obviously 1200 second I need to divide it by 60. So 60 to ja 120. Again 0 will come. So 60 0 ja 0. So it is 20 minute. So dear friends, 1200 second is equal to 20 minute. It means the time is 12 hour. After 20 minute, the time is going to be 12 hour 20 minute. As it is noon, so the time will be PM. So dear friends, 12:20 p.m. is the right time when the bell will ring for the first time. So the correct answer is option number A. So now we have to move forward to the question number 5. The HCF of 2472 and 1284 and a third number n is 12. If their LCM is this one, then the number is what? So obviously, dear friend, we have to calculate. The first number is given, that is 2472. Let us factorize. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6 become 1 12, 2 6 ja 12. Again the number will be divisible by 2. So 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 16, 2 8 ja 16. Again 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0 ja 0, 2 9 ja 18. Difference now 3 will go. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 0 ja and 3 3 ja. At last we will be writing it in the proper way. Now the next question is 1284. Again we have to factorize. 2 will go, 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja. Again 2 will go, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. Again the number will be divisible by 3. So 3 1 ja, 3 0 ja, 21, 3 7 ja, 21. Now the thing is stopped. So dear friends, the factorization of 2472 is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 multiply 103. Another number is 1284 and its factorization is 2 to the power 2 multiply 3 multiply 107. And the third number, that is n. So we have to calculate that what is the question is given. The HCF is 12. It means HCF is equal to 12. And how the 12 can be factorized as? That is 2 6 ja 12 and 2 3 ja 6. It means 2 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 1. And the LCM is also given, that is LCM. So LCM is given 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 to the power 2 multiply 5 multiply 103 multiply 107. Now, dear friends, the most important topic is to calculate what is the number exactly. So, according to the previous knowledge, HCF is all about the common numbers present in both the cases. So, what are the common numbers? So, here the common numbers are the HCF. So, we have to write the HCF here. That is 2 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 1. And afterward, dear friends, the number we already have got. Now we have to check whether it is applicable for the LCM also or not. So in the LCM, we have to take the highest power. So in all the three cases, the highest power is 2 to the power 3. That is very good. Here in the second case, the highest power is 3 to the power 2. But in the first case, the power is 1. Second case, the power is 1. So the third case, it must be highest power 2. So that I have changed it here. Now we have to take the highest power of 5 also. But the 5 is existing here in the LCM. But in first case and second case, 5 is not visible. So it must be visible in the third case. That's why it will come in the LCM. Now 103 and 107. Now our target is whether 103 will exist or 107 will exist. If we go through the condition that LCM, the highest power is we have to consider only. So here the highest power is 103, which is already present here, and the highest power 107 is also present here, that is one only. That means here I just wanted to say that 103 and 105 is not required to mention. So directly according to this discussion, I just wanted to say that the number is 2 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 2 and 5. That is 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 multiply 5. That is option number C. The correct answer is option number C. So dear friends, I hope you have understood these all. And if you have not understood, you can see this video once again, understand the logic, and you can proceed. Now, question number 6. The natural number whose difference is 66 and the least common multiple is 360 R dash. So here the question is saying that the LCM is equal to what? 360. The question is already given. So as the LCM is equal to 360, it means both the number A and B are the common factors, or we can say A and B both are the factor of 360. And the question is saying that the two number whose difference is 66. It means A minus B is equal to 66. So we are going to have the hidden trial method. In the first case, the difference is 120 minus 54 is equal to 66. 90 minus 24 is again 66. 180 minus 114. It means again the difference is 66, and the third case again the difference is 66. It means in all the cases the difference are coming 66. Now we are going to understand in which case we will find the correct answer. So let me discuss here. 120 is the factor of 360, that is very good, but 54 cannot be a factor of 360, because in 54 table if I will be calculating, then 360 will not come. So in this case it is not coming, as one is the factor, another is not a factor, so it is not a correct answer. Now let us go through 90. 9 4 ja 36. So obviously we can say that it is a factor of 360. Now we have to calculate for the 24 also. Let me discuss 360 divided by 24. It means 24 1 ja 24. 6 minus 4 become 2. 3 minus 2 become 1 0. Then 24 5 ja 120 in the remainder is 0. It means it is also coming. And the difference is also matching. That's why the correct answer is option number B. That is 90 and 24 is the correct answer. So the third and the fourth need not have to check, because in the second part we got the answer. Let us come to the question number 7. HCF of this one and this one is different. It is so simple. The A is equal to 5 square multiply 3 to the power 2, and the B is equal to 3 to the power 5 multiply 5 to the power 3. And here I just wanted to calculate the HCF. LCF, what are the common numbers in both the case? The first number is 3, second number is 5. So the lowest power, HCF is all about the lowest power. 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 2. Obviously, 2 we will take. 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2. Obviously, I will be taking the 2 only. So the correct answer is 3 to the power 2 multiply 5 to the power 2. It means both are having. So option number D is the correct answer. So dear friends, it will take very less time to go through. Now, question number 8. The HCF and the LCM of 12, 21 and 15 respectively are. So again, we have to factorize these all thing to find out the LCM and HCF. So 12 become 4 3 ja. It means 2 to the power 2 multiply 3. 21 become 3 7 ja. It means 3 into 7. 15 become 3 into 5. Now, the LCM is equal to and HCF is equal to. LCM means whatever the number available, that is 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there. Now, the highest power is 2 to the power 2. Highest 3 is there, so no change. 5 is also alone, 7 is also alone, so no change. Now the HCF is equal to the common number present in all the cases. So dear friends, the 3 is only the number which is present in all the cases, so the HCF is equal to 3. Now we have to calculate the LCM properly. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, and 60 multiply 7 become 420. So the question is asking the HCF and the LCM. So HCF is 3 and the LCM is 420. and this is the correct answer. So 3 and 420 is the option number C. That is the correct answer. So dear friends, now we have completed the 8 most important MCQ which are expected to come in the CBC board examination. So now it's a time to go through the assertion and the reason based questions, because these are also the integral part of the CBC board examination. Because out of the 20 questions, MCQ questions, obviously the two questions of assertion and the reason based question used to come. So it may be from any chapter, so we have to prepare from all the chapter. So now let us come to the question number 9, that is assertion and reason questions. In the following question, a statement and the assertion that we already have understood. So assertion will be given, reason will be given. So all the four options will be there, and with the help of this calculation, we will check whether which is the correct answer or not. So what is the assertion? Assertion is all about for no value of n where n is a natural number, the number 6 to the power n ends with the digit 0. So difference according to the rule, which number ends with the digit 0? If we go through the condition, then we have to check that if the number is having the factor 2 and 5, then only the digit end with the digit 0. The number ends with the digit 0. So the 2 and 5 must be a factor of it. So the question is saying that 6 to the power n, whether it will ends with the digit 0 or not. So the factor of 6 is 2 and 3. 2 3 is 6. Here 2 is existing, that is very good. But 3 should not come here. In place of the 3, 5 should come. So that's why in this case it is a problematic part. So in 6 to the power n, 2 is there but 5 is not there. That's why there is no possibility that 0 will come at the end, or that is in the ones place. So here the question is saying for no value of n, it means the assertion is correct, because the question is itself saying, as the assertion is itself saying that it will not end with the digit 0. So it means A is saying correct only. Now what is the reason? The reason is saying that for a number end with a digit 0, its prime factor should be 2 and 5. Obviously I have discussed already that the prime factor should be 2 and 5. That is verifying, it means the reason is also correct. So we have to choose the option which will be best fitted with these conditions. Both assertion and reason are true. Obviously assertion and reason both are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. It means according to the reason whatever is given, the with the help of that only we can say that yes, assertion is wrong. Yes, obviously, because both are the correct explanation of each other. So that's why we can say that the correct option is A, that the assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So that's why we got the correct answer. Now let us come to the last question of this series, that is, in the following question a statement of assertion is followed by the reason. Assertion: LCM of the two number is 2475 and their product is this one. Then find their HCF if and HCF is equal to 5. So here we just wanted to say, so dear friends, the assertion and the reason both are given, and the reason we have to study HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. So obviously we can say that the reason is 100% correct. Now we just wanted to see whether the assertion is correct or not. So LCM of the two number, that is we have to check it, that is LCM of two number, it means LCM of A and B, that is equal to 2475, and the product in the sense A into B, the product of both the number is 12375. And obviously here question is wanting to check whether the HCF will be 5 or not. So HCF of A and B, whether it is 5 or not, the question is asking to check it. So there is a question marks. So how? With the help of the reason only we are going to prove it. That the reason is saying HCF of A and B into LCM of A and B. Then only it will come A into B. So let us check the LHS. So what is LHS? We have to multiply both the number. That is 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35, 36, 37. Now 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 3 become 23. Then 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 become 12. So 1 2 3 7 5, and the product is also 1 2 3 7 5. It means the answer is also correct, and the reason is also correct. It means the assertion is also correct, reason is also correct, and it is a correct explanation of assertion and reason. The reason is a correct explanation of assertion. So obviously the correct answer is answer number A. So dear friends, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this session with the help of the most important question which is supposed to come in the board examination, and you have learned a lot. So I just wanted to request you all to please like, comment and share this YouTube video, and please subscribe my mathematics channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.